At Kelly Moss, we believe anything is possible with the right team. This belief has earned us over 30 years of winning history in motorsports and internationally recognized custom car builds. No matter your role or experience, every member on our team contributes to our success with the same level of dedication and passion. Our pursuit of perfection sets us apart. We overcome each obstacle and aren't afraid to challenge the impossible. There's no such thing as good enough. At Kelly Moss, it has to be the best. As industry leaders in motorsports, we know the importance of discovering unique and non-traditional talent. If textbooks were a struggle for you, but you've always loved working with your hands and that feeling you get when you achieve something difficult, we are looking for you. If you strive to go the extra mile and are devoted to excellence, you won't find another company with the same level of commitment to their team to challenge you to become more than you ever imagined. That's the Kelly Moss difference.